and welcome to Pez Concrete Pumping. On this video I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on basically the prep work before liquid screed getting pumped in for the customers that keep asking the questions about prep work and pipes, etc. So I thought I'd just quickly do this video. First one is perimeter strip. If you look on this job, perimeter strip put against nice and tight, and then the flaps brought down and then duct taped. You can always, if you haven't got this flap, just duct tape across here and always pin this up. Just make sure this is always secured down, otherwise it'll float in the screed. As for the underfloor heating pipes as well, if you can see how they're all nicely clipped all the way around the corners. Real nice clips together just to stop the pipes from lifting. Perfectly spaced in between as well. And the other thing what we've done on this job, if we go over here, we've put in expansion joints across each zone just to try and stop any cracking from the different heats of different zones. And the way we've done this, if you look, just a piece of this foam again, taped at the bottom, nice, either side, so it's nice and secure, and then literally just V'd out, just so the screed can flow either side to keep an even level all the way through. If you look at the pipes there as well, wrapped. And that's just a quick tutorial on a bit of prep work for anybody that's a bit unsure. As you can tell in the corners here, look as well, all nice and neat. Thanks.